Welcome to Little Pink Dots, Take Out Central, Cloud Zero. Here no comic books are allowed, Hells Angels not allowed, bikers, Harley Davidsons fuck off, kids are suck dick. Well, regression, the invention, Alan Moore fuck off. Swamp Thing fuck off, Asylum Relapse, fuck Asylum, fuck Rockstone. Fuck Ruben, Nicolette Mutz, News not allowed here, fuck off, Blowjob Kid, fuck McDonald's. Nils Van Horn, Colors, excellent, sounds like Van de Graaf generator. I saw Lenny Pink Dots in 98 in Oslo. So what? I saw them, here's Martin the Clear, Jerusalem, or whatever you want to call it, Married to Heaven and Hell, 48 cameras in the coastal. Well, yeah, well, also in 2009 at Cafe Mono where Nils Van Horn was, and I met Ryman Stagg and Edward Cosbell. In 2011, buying the Revolver, buying